Dear students, we have defined the important basic conceptual terms of thermodynamics, including its definition, conceptual terminology as systems, surroundings, boundary, classification of kinds of system in which we have also derived the essential derivation and expression as open system, closed system, homogeneous system, insulated system, and that is of heterogeneous system. We have also proceed about thermodynamics as the properties of extensive properties and intensive properties. In compact form, I would like to explain to you once again. Extensive properties are those properties depending upon mass but independent upon nature, including mass property, thermodynamic properties as Gibbs free energy, Helmholtz free energy, internal energy, entropy, etc., etc. In respect of intensive properties are those properties depending upon nature but independent upon mass, which should be externally realized, externally, that is of feeling conceptual by thermodynamically, and would be now be that is of categorized as surface tension, viscosity, diffraction. In the series of the various topics of thermodynamics, we were discussing about the next topic, that is of state function and that is of path function. We have also explained about in detail information regarding that is of state function depending upon states, independent upon path. In the series, the next topic I am going to define today here. I will deliver today here the important topics on that is of path function. Path functions I define here, I would like to define here path functions are those functions depending upon path but independent upon initial and final state of the system. Dear students, in thermodynamically any system, any living species who is particularly standing at a particular point and doesn't have any kinds of mobility, velocity, its motto, its mission, its goal, due to thermodynamically point of view, will be classified as that is of zero work. Thermodynamics say any living species who is permanently standing at a particular point here, I am giving to you one important example here. Suppose any living species or any bus which is standing at this platform here continuously 7 a.m. to that is of 7 p.m. This bus is continuously that is of park here and never visit, never travel, never start from this station to that is of next one state. First one that is of station platform, say state 1, and second one that is of state to next station, next stoppage, first one stoppage, second one stoppage. The bus who is parking here continuously 12 hours at a particular stoppage, particular stand, then thermodynamics say this bus which we have assumed, which is acting here as a system, the work done will be classified, will be expressed as that is of zero. Hence, path functions are those functions who are depending, moving on the path, on the route. If system in a constant condition is standing or sitting at a particular points, thermodynamically its work, its motto, its goal, its mission will be taken into account as that is of zero. Hence, thermodynamics give the validity, the efficiency for the systems who is doing that is of the work here. In the series of path function, the two important that is of here, W and heat, W and Q, where W denote the work, Q denote the heat. One can categorize as that is of path functions because these are two important thermodynamic quantities who are totally depending upon path but independent upon that is of state. As we have just assumed here, any living species who is totally in that is of movable condition, it has positive mobility, it has some mobility, it has some velocity, it has some movement, then it works would be classified as that is of a positive goal, positive motor. Similarly, in order to second thermodynamic quantity, I would like to define to you that is of a to define Q as that is of heat. I am taking here any heat device at the point of M. The intensity of the radiation, intensity of the light at this point, intensity of the light is very higher after crossing, after passing a long path that is of a such long gap. Its intensity of the glow of the light of the intensity will be automatically will go to down in that is of low condition here. Peak point M, its intensity of the radiations, intensity of the light is very high. After passing this long route, after crossing the long path, at the point of N, at the point of this one N, this point of N, its intensity becomes low. So one can classify that heat that is also one can classify as that is of a path function. Hence W and Q, these are two important quantities which will be classified into that is of a path function, and their variation one can write in the form of delta, and that is a partially delta. Now questions now becomes arises here, how to write down these equations here. In order to write down these equations here, I will try to write down here that is of by means of this one equation. I am going to write here that is of delta W will be is equals to that is of W is equals to will not be the incorrect that in terms of W2 minus that is of W1. 1 and 2 states denote four thermodynamic quantities as that is of a state function, and delta W it will give the information and it will be writing by the method of that is of W, and W2 minus W1 it will be that is of incorrect method. Their variation will be mentioned by as that is of delta Q, and that is of this one that is of position. So these were the important information regarding the state and path functions. Now next topic of thermodynamics, that is of interconversion of SF into PF and PF into SF. SF here denotes as that is of state function, PF denotes here as that is of path function here. PF denote path function, and that is of state function. Generally it is true facts that these symbols D, del, partially delta, these symbols will be used here for state and path functions here. But in important term and conditions, when state variables as which we are using temperature, pressure, and that is of volume, how these state function will now be converted into PF, the next topic here, or how to write down TD equation, how to prepare it, that is of TD equation here. I am writing here on the blackboard here, that is, so suppose X denotes any measure thermodynamic quantity, X denotes here as that is of G gives you free energy, H enthalpy, S entropy, A Helmholtz free energy, U or E denote that is of internal energy. Suppose capital X denotes any thermodynamic quantity which is depending upon state variable small x, small y, small z. Small x means state variables means that is of this quantity, measure thermodynamic quantity, capital X depending upon temperature, volume. X means T means that is of state variable X, V4 that is of volume, P4 that is of pressure here. The first one that is of, I will write to mention here, that is of first TD equation. It will be mentioned here, capital X is equals to that is a function of X, Y, Z, and final, and that is of second TD equation. dx, you know d, it will be used for that is of state function here. Now how does this state function is now convert into that is of path function here? Since x that is a measure thermodynamic quantity here, so dx that is a fully differentiation, partially differentiation is path function state variable delta x, it will be mentioned in terms of pf. Again this delta x will now be converted into the form of sf. Pf now has been converted here sf. Here dx independently that is of a state function, but when state function is depending more than one state variables, in that case dx here that is of x as the role of sf state function. Now here sf dx is play the role of pf path function. Similarly delta x state variable, it denotes with respect to that is of path function. Now it now has been converted into that is of sf. Similarly pf that is of sf, and so on similarly. And now it is the general example here. Once again try to understand to be that is of how thermodynamic equation will be mentioned, will be written here. Suppose capital X denote here any major thermodynamic quantities. This major thermodynamic quantity means G, H, S, A, U and E. Gibbs free energy, enthalpy, entropy, Helmholtz free energy, internal energy, U and E. Then its first students have to write down the first method to thermodynamic quantities. Capital X that is a function of, inside of this bracket you have to write down state variable. Small x, y or z denote here as that is of state variable, means temperature, volume and that is of pressure. So that is of first one TD equation, final TD equation in which state function converted PF converted into SF, and that is of a PF here. Now let us write down, let us try to understand here by using the specific example here. Here you know that that is of we take here, we are using here capital X that is equals to G, gives free energy thermodynamic quantity which is depending upon state variable that is of temperature and volume. How the general method now we apply on this general method, that general method now we apply on that is of a specific example here. Capital X denote that is of we take G as that is of gives free energy depending upon state variable, temperature and that is of volume. By using that is of equation number 1, its first TD equation that is a G that is a function of into this bracket state variable will be mentioned here, will be written here T and V, the first TD equation. Then now G, since basically independent thermodynamic equation, the final and second TD equation will be mentioned here. DG that is of state function. State function has now converted here that is a path function. Similarly path function now converted into that is of SF state function. Here DG denotes here state function is now converted into PG. Delta G with that is of PF in that is of path function here. Similarly path function now converted into that is of a state function. Second example, capital X is equals to thermodynamic quantity, we take H as an enthalpy, state variable depending upon temperature and that is of a pressure here. First TD equation H that is a function into bracket state variable, temperature and that is of a pressure here. This second TD equation is equals to dH is equals to delta H upon delta T P dt plus that is of delta H delta P T and that is of dP here. SF now converted into PF. PF is now converted into same SF. Similarly, SF is now converted into PF and same process will be now be applicable here for next that is of state variables. Now we will discuss tomorrow about thermodynamic process tomorrow. Thank you very much.